Today it's Thursday, August 21st, 2025. This video is for the C63, the company car, for the LSD and for the transmission and for the engine. Okay, the guys here, they have prepared the engine bay area, the heat shields, the carpet back, the insulation, whatever it has. Alright. They have washed the most parts, the coolers I see there. This is what we're doing also for the customers. Okay, it might end up to a customer, this car, I have no clue, we're gonna see. They have prepared the engine. They wash it, they clean it. It's more easy to detect any leak if you clean it, alright? And then, the E63 engine that I get the cylinder heads, it's still there on the engine stand, alright? E63 156 used engine, stay there, no worries. And yes, with the engine we get differential open lock from the E63 that we install it currently on the C63. It's an open lock, it doesn't have an LSD. Wow, this one I'm talking about. Alright, why we did that? Because the clutches, they're gonna arrive in 2-3 weeks, something like that. Meanwhile, I open the E63 transmission. I have it there up. I have the TCU and the valve body over there. Fine, yeah, keep it there for now. 1 second, it's there up. Like I said, the torque converter is from the C63. It's not from the E63. And here outside I have the gear selector, the electronic, that's for the E-Class, and this falls for the E-Class. Why I keep it outside? I don't know, don't ask me. Then, inside of the engine room, what do we have? This is the internal parts from the C63, that from that I'm gonna need the oil pump, because the E63 doesn't have a needle bearing on the oil pump, has the thrust bearing, you know, not needle bearing. Fine. So this from the C63, the bell housing is from the C63, and the body of the transmission is from the C63, alright? The rest parts that I have here, it's from the E63. Why I have it here from the E63? Because if you see the inner gear of the K3, if you see the sun gear, if you see the most parts, they have less wear than the C-Class, than the 204, alright? I mean, the wear that has here from the clutches and here, alright? If you compare it with the C63, it has a little bit more wear, alright? And out of 2 transmissions, I'm gonna close one healthy one. Then, what's here is where this is the race where it's running the needle bearing. You see that it didn't have a contact with the rivet. Alright, if we go now to the C-Class here, you see that had the contact at this point. So for these reasons, like I said, I'm using the best parts. Then, let's see, I wash it for whoever wants to see this output shaft. This from the C63, this from the E63. I'm gonna use this one, alright, not this. And this is the yoke from the C63. See what's happening. When you install the yoke, it's supposed to don't pass full down, alright, this is passing way more down, and when you put it inside, and if you keep it, let us say, in the place where it's supposed to be, it's playing like crazy. Wait, talking about that. This is not normal. It's supposed to be like this one. It's supposed to don't pass way down. It's supposed to stop there, and it's supposed to don't have. Supposed to have minimum clearance. You can see what's going on here. This is the first time for me. I haven't seen that. I have seen how many times output shafts that they're snap or that it's been twisted, but never like that. Okay, it was. With this nut, it was torqued down and it was from the factory. I don't see any signs. I mean, I don't see that anybody opened the transmission before to begin with. Alright, now, if you see the teeth here inside, it's very sharp and it's being pushed sideways versus this one. That's how it's supposed to be. And this how it became here. And on the output shaft, That's how it looks like the output shaft. That's how it's supposed to look like the output shaft. Not like this. So the output shaft with this yoke, it's for scrap. Fair enough. Forget about also this. This what I need. I have also a new nut. It's over here. Now I have the new style breather with a ball bearing inside. In case they're gonna flip, they're gonna come upside down, don't come out oil. I have the seal kit from Mercedes. That's not enough. They're missing parts because the K1, K2, K3 they're selling it as a unit with the clutches. They're not selling only the seals. Don't ask me why. I have the metallic gasket. I have the filter. I have the TCU. This is the E63 torque converter. Okay, and I have also the aftermarket seal kit here. But this I open it and I have to get another one because here it's missing K1, K2, K3 and the solenoid seals. Hey, lovely. Isn't that amazing? No worries. So I forget to clean also the oil pump. Lovely. Yeah. Bell housing is beautiful. Does have any scoring. The housing, the transmission housing, it's magnesium, like the intake manifold. Guess what will gonna happen later on? It's gonna become in powder, gonna become dust in the wind. Okay, yeah, like any other thing, magnesium. All right, fine. The valve body over here. That's it. Let's check now the clutches. The clutch is supposed to be fine from the E63. Just on verification, don't peel away, don't come apart. Changing the seals, not the piston, and putting it together to give to the guys. Forget the LSD. I said also the LSD. I pressed the new bearings. Okay, I put the pinion back in place. It's not for final, all right, but at least now it's in place with the new bearings. The outer race here, the seals here, fine. I clean a bit better the ring. I have the old bearings that I want to cut them to see the inner race. I see one that has damage and the outer race they have some damage, but I want to see also the inner. When I get a measurement before for the LSD and I was showing to you the wear, I make one mistake and I show you. Let me get it on the table there to show you what I mean. Just a second, let me take it all together, not separate. Keep it over there. Okay, what I was willing to say now, I get a measurement before, forget the spring washer that has here, right? Forget about that. I get a measurement from the outer one that has a wear only from this side, all right? But from this side doesn't have a wear. And I don't remember exactly how much was 2 millimeters. I don't remember, honestly. Let's measure it again. That's not the right way. It is one way actually. 1.92. Where am I? 1.92 millimeters. All right. Now, like I said, this has a wear from one side. From the other side, doesn't have. If you go to check the other one, if you come here to check this one, this has a wear from this side and from this side, from both sides. So how much I said? 192. Let's see how much it is here. 1.65. So we have almost 3/10 of millimeter. How much I said before? 0.15, 2/10, something like that. Not even having more. You can tell me you have less from one side, more from the other side. Yeah, but that's what I was willing to say regarding the LSD. Okay, this comes this one face up like that. Fine, the clutch goes like that, this goes like this. Why I'm saying now all these things, I just have to put it back again to storage it until they come the clutches. It does what you've done. Alright, so where was I? The new bearing installed. Fine. Where was I? What I was doing? Transmission I was doing. Dang it, my mind. Dang it. Where's the dot? There's a dot. There's a dot, and then there's another dot here. Lovely. Keep it clocked. Okay, it's not the time to close it, but better to be all together, right? Fine. Let me disappear that, and then I'm gonna continue the transmission, and then you're gonna see in a second for you the transmission will gonna be closed all together. How lovely. And what did I said? I'm gonna show you at the end when we're gonna be nice and close to everything. You can see the new breather, you can see the new gasket, you can see the new nut. That's it. All back together. Yeah, next video, who knows, maybe we're gonna go for a test drive. Next video is gonna be for the LSD, to see what I'm gonna receive, to finalize also this. That's it. Then I need one output shaft and one flange yoke, this back here. And another one, kit of seals, to close also the E-class. That's it. Thank you. Over and out. Nice short video, right? One time it was on the table, now it's all together.